Hello and welcome to the tutorial on how to play NFTOctopus. To start things off, make sure that you've installed the V-Wallet extension onto your browser, or any wallet extension that supports the V-Systems blockchain, and that your wallet is loaded up with OCT tokens. Some users may or may not have already received some OCT tokens from our airdrop event. If you have received a wrapped OCT token from the Ethereum blockchain, be sure to unwrap your tokens at the swap page on our website. Once you have your OCT tokens ready, let's start staking. Go to the Ocean page and click on Manage Stake on the sidebar. A pop-up will show up and you will be prompted to stake your tokens in a lock contract. By staking your OCT tokens, you will be earning 1 OP per day. Once you have received sufficient OP, you can start minting on the black box NFTs on Ocean page. Once you've confirmed the transaction and the transaction has been confirmed onto the blockchain, the NFT will be sent directly to your wallet. Enter the wallet page to view your NFT.